Hi iViewers, today we're going to show you how to set up your iView Smart Bulb. The iView iHome app has features that revolutionize the way you look at smart bulbs. The Wi-Fi connected bulbs are really easy to set up and even more fun to use. Upon installation, if your bulb does not immediately start blinking, you can reset the bulb by turning it on and off 3 times until you see the bulb begin to blink. On your app, you'll then select the plus sign on the top right-hand corner. To set up the bulbs, you're then going to select lighting devices. When ready, confirm the rapid blinking. The iView Smart Bulb allows you to power your lights on and off, and it also allows you to choose from a spectrum of colors to adjust to your mood. You are now ready to enjoy your new iView Smart Bulb.